Right, so what you're looking at here, this is a new fuel injector plug that I installed a while ago, because this one was brittle enough to have its plastics break. I just had it sit there without any lock. It still worked, but I had no confidence in it. So when the time came that I was able to buy a new fuel injector plug for Corolla, then I got my hands into it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to replace these fuel injector plugs today. Alright, so this one is already done. This one is the next one because it's a little wobbly. See, it moves around, so it needs to be taken out. Okay, there it is. So now here's the thing. Oh, it's broken already. See, so what we're gonna do, let's break it. Tuluyan na natin, man. I'm gonna break this thing off because it's already broken. It decided to mess itself, so let's continue. There you go. So thing is broken completely shattered everywhere. Okay, so all we have left are these, so let's replace it. Okay, so I have a new plug here. Here's the new plug. Yeah, if you want to buy this thing, I leave the link in the description below. So let's first remove the white locking mechanism in front. Okay, let's remove it like that. As you see, come on, it is. It's removed. Now all we have to do is to insert the wires here at the back. This is where the orange wire goes in. This is where the white wire goes in. Right, so let's do it now. Okay, so if you see the wires, okay, so this one has a hole here, square hole like this. It's intended for the purpose of locking itself in. Okay, so let's take the new. As I've said, this one is the orange, this one is white. So we just simply put the stuff here in both of them. It's really hard to film at the same time, work some jobs. Okay, as you go. Alright, so as you see, the metal plugs are going inside the holes like that. So just push it in, push, push until they get inside here, there, as you can see, until they get inside here. So those little clips there will lock into the hole of the pins, and they will eventually get into the position where they should be. Now I'm gonna put the camera in the stand because I can't do it with one hand, as it requires force. Okay, so here is now how it looks after inserting the two prongs, the two metal plugs inside the new plug. This is how it looks now. Now all I have to do is to return this locking plastic here, this one. Alright, so it has a little, what do you call this one? Whatever. So you just look for the pattern here and also there. So this one goes here. It will go between the two metal prongs there, and then yeah, it goes. You simply push it inside. There it is. Okay. You can see it. Now you just replace the whole plug. Now the next thing to do is to spray it with contacts cleaner. Sorry. Like that. Now after doing that, you simply push the plug back to where it belongs.
Okay.
There it is. Push it in and you should hear a click. There you go. Right, so the plug clicked in place. It's replaced. So we have now two of the four plugs replaced with new ones. I'm gonna do the other two again. Same process. As you can see, this one is already broken. Yeah, see, it's very brittle. So once and the rubber inside is already in there. So you can see the rubber is not working well. Should be the water for waterproofing. So again, we break the old clip, old plug. Let's break it. Okay. Okay, so we have broken it. Let's take the new plug again. This is the new plug. Let's remove the white thing here. Removed.
Oh my
Okay.
god!
So once again, the orange goes here, the white goes there. So orange goes here, and the white goes there. Right, see? Just push it in. Push until it clicks in place. You might need long nose pliers just to push the wires in. Okay, there's it. So we have our connectors there. Now let's put the plastic thing here. Okay, so there it is. Now spray it with contacts cleaner. Also there if you want. It's done. There it is. Clicks in place. Ah, clip is broken again. See? All of them are brittle. Right, so once again, let's remove the white plastic. Okay, removed. Let's put it there. Okay, so once again, the orange wire goes here, the white wire goes there. Push in. Okay, you might need push a little further, but I think this wire's already okay. Let's put the locking white plastic. It is. Spray with contacts cleaner. Then put it back. Okay, it clicks in place. Now this kit, for example, you broke the pins, comes with its own set of connectors here. But I did not use them because the pins there are still okay. They're still working fine. So I'll just keep it for later use. Okay, so it's now time to start the car.